Alrighty, how are we doing today, seventh graders? Today we are continuing to review for Thursday's quiz of angle pairs and using the equations for it. Okay, so what we need to do for our objective is use the relationships between the angle pairs and write the equations and find the missing values. All right, we need to know if it is vertical angles, which means they kind of cross, and the ones that are diagonal from each other or across the vertex are equal to each other. Or we have adjacent. Adjacent, you might have an acute or obtuse, and you need to use angle B and angle 2 in an addition problem. Complementary angles, which are angles that make a 90 degree, whether it takes two of them most of the time to put together for what we're working with on today, or supplementary that is 180 degrees, and you will have two or more angles with that. Okay, so yesterday's homework, double check your answers. If you have any questions on these, get back to your teacher to see if you can find what error you made. All right, so today we are doing our color activity. Okay, so for each problem on the following page, write an equation and then solve for the missing value. For example, if the solution for number 1 is x equals 4, for in color, all the 4s actually red because it says to color all of those red. Okay, and then all our x equals 5s are orange, purple for 8, green for 3, and blue for 2. So those are your only 5 options of solutions. So if you don't get one of those 5, you know you did something wrong. Okay, so there are a total of 16 problems. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Number 1, they are vertical. Right? Vertical. Whenever I see vertical, I think the automatic equal sign because that shows that they are congruent, they are equal to each other. We have to take our 3x plus 20 and say equal to 35. Then this is when you step in and use those algebraic skills. Okay, subtract 20 on both sides. These cancel. We got 3x left equals 15. All right, the opposite multiplication is division, so you can divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 5. All right, so that's for number 1. So everywhere we see a 1, we're going to color it orange. Okay, let's see, can I select orange? Let's see. That's pretty close orange. Let's do that. So everywhere we see a 1, we're going to color it orange. All right, so like right here, we're going to color this whole triangle orange. All the 1s, there's more than one 1. Okay, so then that means this one here, you're going to color orange. And then here's another one. Now, if you want to save time, solve all your problems first, and then you can color. Okay. All right, so let's go look at a different one. All right, number 2 is a complementary. So if we look, we get a 90-degree angle. Okay, so that means I need to add these two to equal 90 degrees. So 2x plus 10 plus 72. Combine your like terms, 2x plus 82 equals 90. Then we can do our subtraction. So we're going to do 2x equals 8 and divide by 2. And x equals 4. All right, so if x equals 4, that means it is red. So everywhere I see a 2, I'm going to color it red. Okay. There's another 2. There's another 2. That's it. So let's go back and look at another problem. All right. So number 3, we have a straight line with 2 angles. If we have a straight line, that means you're going to add these 2 and equal it to 180. All right, so I need to combine my 4 and my 86. So 30x plus 90 equals 180. Subtract 90. 30x equals 90. And divide by 30. X equals 3. Alright, so let's go back and look. So that's problem 3. That means all our 3s we're going to color green. And then once I go looking here, oh, there's one. There's another one. There's a third one. And that's spotless. So maybe as I get more colors, we'll figure it out. Maybe there's only 2. Now let's look at a different one. Okay, so we've had a vertical, we've had 90 degrees, we've had 180. Let's look at number 5. All right. Remember, M means the measure of angle X, Y, and Z. So all together across this, it is 70 degrees. So you're going to have to add these 2 together. So I need to add 50 and 14, so 3x plus 64 equals 70. Subtract 64. We get 3x equals 6. So divide by 3. X equals 2 for my final answer. All right, so number 5 is going to be blue. So everywhere we see a 5 now, we're going to color it blue. Oh, here's a 5 in the middle. And there's a 5 across from it. And that looks like it for that one. Okay, so that's 4 problems done for you. And I believe that covers all of our main examples. Okay, so you're either going to have that they're equal to each other, they're equal to 90 degrees, they're equal to 180, or they're equal to the measure of an angle they gave you. Okay, and this is what we're going to work on in the next 2 days. So if you're virtual, you have until Wednesday to finish this up. All right, if you have any questions, reach out to your teachers. All right, bye.